scared stepping on these.
We are in Denver.
Oh, hey.
Never been to a diner attached to a Family Dollar before, but it's got good reviews, so we're gonna find out what it's like. Amazing skillet. Probably the best pancakes I've ever had, no joke. Can't judge a book by a cover. High Plains Diner, attached to Family Dollar. It's fantastic. One of the best breakfasts I've ever had.
Best pancakes I've ever had in my life.
How was the biscuits and gravy?
Biscuits and gravy are really good, but I just can't stop thinking about the pancakes.
It was a long day getting out here to Colorado, very early morning. We had a great breakfast though, and we're all settled into the hotel. Gotta hit the sack, got an early morning coming up, so more stuff coming. Trip to Colorado, we're heading out to Utah this week too. Looking forward to a lot of fun. It's been a busy morning, but we finally made it up to Loveland, Colorado before we head west to Rocky Mountain National Park and had to stop at the Harley shop. It's a big one, pretty cool look, so
Just two girls.
we're gonna check it out.
This looks so good. I'm starving. Hold on, I'm taking another picture for my story. Guys.
Oh, they do look good.
That's what I'm saying.
First In-N-Out experience.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, thoughts on In-N-Out Burger? Just have to use Scarf to that whole cheeseburger down.
It's really good.
Really good.
Yeah, some people say that it was really mid. And if you're gonna call that mid, I want to know what's like, I don't know.
What's good or bad?
Yeah, like what's good or bad. Maybe you just went to the wrong location, like I don't know, but wherever we are right now is really good. Just come here, honestly.
Now entering Rocky Mountain National Park. They're looking at, look, right there. Elk,
What?
elk right out there.
Really? Oh my god.
Elk
okay.
right at the entrance.
Wow. Like literally just, ooh, he's gonna get some good photos. Yeah, so
The main road that we wanted to take through the park is closed. But there's still plenty to see.
feeling like a mountain goat. Dad, can you take a picture of me?
Yeah. Our main road through Rocky Mountain National Park is closed, unfortunately, so we had to backtrack throughout the park, and we're gonna have to take the long road around to Steamboat Springs, where we're supposed to be staying tonight. It's about a 4-hour drive. It's about almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's gonna be a little bit of a late night, but the scenery is just unbelievable. Stopped here in Estes Park to get some gas and a little snack before we hit the road. It's kind of unbelievable to stop at a little gas station and see this in the background. It's just incredible. What a cute little store. I love this.
Our grocery store.
I know.
So cute.
I'd love to shop at a little place like this. Home goods.
Wow, look at this. Milk patties, oat chops. I bet those are actually really good.
View from the hotel this evening. Oh man. In Steamboat Springs, Colorado. Chilly.
I love it.
I can feel the precipitation. It might snow.
I want it too.
It is super cute though, for real. Hopefully a sign we don't see in South Carolina. A little glimpse of our surroundings in the daylight now. Super cool area. Jumping in the car now, making our way to Salt Lake City, Utah. We got about a 5-hour drive. Looking forward to the scenery. Before heading out of town, we gotta stop and get some coffee. We hear the Dusky Grouse coffee shop is the best in Steamboat Springs, if not Colorado. So high praise from a lot of people. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's enter. Entree, por favor. Be respectful. Okay, we didn't film in there because it's small, cute, quaint little place, and there's a bunch of people. So
Yeah.
I felt weird with the camera, but we've got to do a first sip.
First sip.
What do you got?
I got an iced caramel oat milk latte.
Iced caramel oat milk latte and just a small cold brew here. Straight up black, just how I like it. Ready, set. Good.
Wait, mine is really good.
Ooh. Cold brew is very good too. Very subtle, not overpowering, but enough coffee flavor. Very delish.
I can tell that they use a good oat milk because you can taste like the nuttiness in the milk.
Dusky Grouse Coffee, Steamboat Springs, Colorado. Highly recommend. What's your 5-star rating?
Honestly, like a 5 out of 5. Like it's honestly really good. But
high praise.
Yeah, they had really good reviews. One review, is it still on?
Yeah.
Okay. The camera screen turned black. One review said it was like best coffee in Steamboat Springs, one of my favorites in Colorado. Like, okay, so obviously we have to go.
Just go there. Dusky Grouse, Steamboat Springs. On to Salt Lake City.
Yes.
Let's go. We are now entering Utah. What a beautiful landscape. This is incredible. We're finding ourselves driving these long, empty roads, struggling to find the vocabulary to describe it. All we can think of is awesome, crazy, and wild. I mean,
insane!
Insane's another good word, but look at this. And truly, the old saying that the skies are bigger in the West this exemplifies that exact phrase. I mean, you really can't describe it. You really can't describe it. Welcome to Utah. This is Blue Mountain, just inside of Utah. I'd imagine the name has something to do with the hue it kind of gives off when you view it. So there's a little bit blue in the distance. May or may not be correct. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it is beautiful nonetheless. What an incredible area. Heading west on Highway 40, about 90 miles outside of Salt Lake City, and the landscape is clearly changing once again. Very, very green, sort of rocky, I don't know, sandy looking soil underneath. Very unique. Finally arrived home for the evening. Beautiful backdrop against the mountains in Utah. We're in Sandy, outside of Salt Lake City. We may run into Salt Lake this evening and see what's going on there, but we definitely got to find something to eat. 6 hours in the car today. It's been a long day, ready to take a break. Heading south finally after a busy morning out of Salt Lake City toward Provo, Utah, before we head more eastward to Grand Junction, which will be our final final stop for the day. Looking forward to seeing some desert terrain, but this is just spectacular as well.
Really cute. Oh, it's a Maverick truck.
Stop at a little Maverick, get a little gasoline just in case we have trouble finding a place down the road. Love these Maverick stations. I'm gonna go check and see if they got some pizza. Personally, myself personally, I'm gonna go for some pizza.
Pizza?
Okay, let's go look. The lack of power and torque this car has is made up for in fuel mileage. I'm getting about 40 miles a gallon on this thing. Nah, toss that.
Today we're gonna be trying Detroit Personal Pepperoni Bonfire Maverick Pizza.
You're screaming at the camera. Your first Maverick pizza experience.
It doesn't look that good.
It's cooked well.
It's cooked very well.
It's quite greasy. It's the one thing with Maverick pizza. It is greasy.
Okay guys, don't let the outside fool you. It's actually really good.
It's not the best one I've had. Finally arrived in Grand Junction, Colorado. Incorporated in 1882, it became the county seat of Mesa in 1883.
I'm exhausted.
Run to the buffalo. We were exhausted again last night after another very long day in the car. We enjoyed a little bit of Grand Junction down Main Street, got a little bite to eat at Goat's, the Goat Tavern, a little Irish pub in town on Main Street. Actually quite good. Good appetizers, good food, good drinks. Now we're hitting the road early this morning, but we're stopping at a little coffee shop down the road called Jitters. Coffee shop is a little bit of an extreme description. It is just a little drive-through hut. So we're excited to get a little coffee, get on the road. They're heading toward Vail. Thank you very much.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too.
This feels really thick. I'm scared.
Coffee's quite strong, but not bad. You don't like it?
It just tastes like mocha syrups and cookie crumble.
You're taking it all off the bottom.
It tastes too much like mocha. It's like they put a whole like brownie in the bottom of this.
Stopped at a little scenic overlook. We're about 15 miles outside of Vail. Excited to finally get in the car, but we are about to head north to Granby, Colorado, home of Killdozer. We're about an hour south of Granby in a little place called Silverthorne. We're sitting just shy of 9,000 feet of elevation. Had to stop for a quick smash burger. Looking good.
Mega good.
Well, I think smash burger was a smash, yeah?
It was good.
How about
I ate so fast.
smash burger or In-N-Out?
In-N-Out.
What?
Yeah.
You're joking.
No, I'm serious.
In-N-Out doesn't even stand a chance to this.
Onward to Granby.
Granby, Colorado is best known for Killdozer, where in 2004, a disgruntled business owner, Marvin Heemeyer, took a heavily modified and armored Komatsu bulldozer on a path of destruction across town. He spent about a year and a half building up this bulldozer in order to inflict as much damage as possible without being stopped, and he did it seemingly under everyone's noses. Equipped with cameras, plate steel, and concrete, the Killdozer seemed indestructible, withstanding multiple explosions and over 200 rounds of gunfire. Just when Heemeyer and his rampage seemed unstoppable, the tracks broke through the floor of Gamble's hardware store, bringing the Komatsu dozer to a halt, where Heemeyer ultimately committed suicide.
This isn't
We are up here.
10,000 feet up.
How high though, actually?
Let's see here. 10,290.
10,290 feet. And we're still climbing technically, so we're gonna get back in the car and see where else this goes. But this is amazing to see this from way down below and look at the snow, and now we're actually up in it. Up now around 11,200 feet. I think this is about as high as we're gonna get on this road, but this is amazing. Still plenty of snow to go sledding. I figured we'd see some snow, but I did not really think we're going to be climbing up a snow-covered mountainside. Quite the workout here. Hey, look at me. Okay, I'm gonna try to make it down the hill. You just gotta bound. Here we go. Long week. We made it.
Please report to us on any other suspicious activity.